do you think about when you think of a high maintenance woman? You think she has a lot going on. You think she's very hard to maintain. So much going on physically. Can you imagine what she has going on internally? All that is wrong. Erase everything you think about when it comes to high maintenance. Let me tell you why high maintenance actually equals a low maintenance lifestyle. I know you've heard the term higher quality over quantity. Physically, the qualities that make a woman high maintenance has a lot to do with the way we're kept. Nails, lashes, hair, even the way our body looks. I'm about to explain why all these things actually make me a low maintenance woman. Let's start with our lashes. I get lash extensions, and I have been getting lash extensions since I was 22. I'm 27 now. Sacrificing an hour every 2 weeks so that I can save 20 minutes each day on not having to do my eyes during my makeup routine. That is so much time shaved off just getting ready. Like, I just wake up and I look fine. I can just walk out the house, I can just leave, and I look presentable. So just sacrificing 1 hour in 2 weeks for fill actually saves me more time getting ready in the morning. I also get blowouts once a week. I have really thick curly hair. For all my curly girls out there, this is very difficult to maintain and keep looking nice. I've been getting a blowout once a week for the past year, and I don't think you understand just how much mental load is off of my brain. I can just wake up with bedhead and go out because I have a blowout that's lasting me for the next week. That's 5 to 7 days of me not having to brush my hair. I mean, I comb through it. 5 to 7 days of me not having to style my hair because it already looks great, and just not me worrying about my hair frizzing up or looking crazy. I don't know how long you take on doing your hair on a regular basis. It's a lot of time that I don't have to worry about anymore because I'm getting blowouts. Nails. Whether you're doing nails professionally or you're doing it on your own, investing in higher quality polishes and materials will make your manicures last much longer. Yes, gel polishes are a little bit more expensive than regular polish, but they don't chip. They last for 2 weeks-ish if you're taking good care of them, and they just look great. Like, nails! Okay, here's something that only some people will really understand, especially my neurodivergent girls like me. Workout classes. This has been a game changer for me. As someone that has been trying to get into working out for the past few years and it's not been working, like I'm literally that girl that's just sitting there in the studio taking selfies, pretending like I'm working out when I'm not really working. It does not work for me. I cannot focus. It's like I'm there for a longer period of time because I don't know what I'm doing. I'll walk for a little bit, but then what? Then what? I have been doing Pilates and Lagree and hot yoga for the past year and a half. It has done wonders. Not only is it 1 full hour of a guided workout, you hit a lot of spots in an hour. Yes, classes are a little bit more expensive than maybe a gym membership depending on how long you're going, but they are so worth it if you have trouble focusing or you just need like a guided workout. Highly recommend. Here's one that not a lot of people think about: eating organically. I always am very conscious about what I eat, especially when I go grocery shopping. Everything I buy is either organic or natural, almost no preservatives, 0 or no preservatives. I don't eat sugar, I don't eat sweets, and I feel like I still make exquisite meals because I love to cook. It's not even that much more expensive than eating junk food. Cooking at home not only creates a safe space for you to just like relax and unwind and treat yourself to something yummy and healthy for your body, it's also refreshing for your mind to just not have to worry about what you're eating and how it's affecting you. You know what you're eating. You know how healthy it is. You don't have to worry about getting diabetes in the future. You don't have to worry about, how specific foods or lack of foods cause Alzheimer's or specific diseases. That takes off the mental load of just like, am I gonna get sick? Am I gonna die? Am I gonna get kidney disease? You're safe. You're safe. This means less time getting sick, less time in the hospital, less time at the doctor's appointment. I don't think I've gone to the doctor in the last 3 or 4 years, and that's also when I started this healthy girl journey of just having organic food and just eating healthily. There's also some other minor things for self-care that I like to do that have drastically improved my quality of life. A couple of things I could mention right off the bat: juices and juice shots. Like, yes, you can just buy the ingredients and you can go home and use your juicer to make it, but think of it this way. Let's say you're out and you feel a little tingle in your throat, right? And anytime I feel like that, this is my hack. You're gonna take your ass to the juice store and you're gonna have 1 or 2 ginger shots and you're just gonna down those shots, okay? You're gonna down those shots like tequila. I promise you, whatever it was going on, it's gone now. It's not in your body anymore. It's dead. There are some things that I also do that aren't on a regular basis, but try to do as much as I possibly can. That's massages and facials. I try to get a massage once a month and a facial once a month. The trajectory of my stresses, like, I have psoriasis and eczema, and when I'm stressed out, my face and my fingers, like everything just breaks out and gets scaly and gross. I've also noticed when I don't clean my face correctly or properly and have a deep clean, it happens more often. When I get my facials done, I don't have that issue. I've been getting my regular facials once a month for the past 2 years. The rate at which I would have reactions is much lower. Let's talk about massages. I know everyone's body's hurting. Our stresses are manifested in joints and parts of our bodies, knots. I know you have knots. Everybody has knots. You know what helps with those knots? Massages. Now, my massage therapist tells me I should probably go 2 to 3 times a month, but I don't have time for that. So I try to fit in 1 month. And even that is just so much nicer than just trying to figure it out on my own. Like, I feel so loose and relaxed after my massage, and that makes me able to move a lot better and more efficiently throughout the rest of the month, especially in my shoulder area. I get knots a lot in this area, and just having someone just like get that knot out is so incredibly assuring that I don't have to worry about that right now. That's one thing off my list of things I need to do, is taking care of my body. So highly recommend doing your self-care maintenance as often as you possibly can, but nothing that you need to like do all the time. Another thing I like to invest in that I don't do too often, I do it every 3 or 4 months, is baby Botox. The reason I get Botox is kind of 50-50. I don't have a lot of wrinkles, but I don't want to, create wrinkles. So I get just a little bit of Botox in my forehead every month. It also has decreased the amount of migraines I get a month, and I get horrible migraines. Horrible, just horrible. That has decreased dramatically since I've been getting Botox. So if that's something that you suffer from, try it. I promise it'll change your life. Also think about it. Yes, you can pop an Advil, but Advil is linked to kidney failure, heart disease, diabetes, blood pressure, so everything you can think of under the sun. I'm pretty sure getting a couple Botox units every few months is better than popping a pill every other day. So really, all these things, it does sound like a lot, but they're sporadic. It's not like something I have to do on a day-to-day basis, and they just give me a peace of mind. So one less thing I don't have to worry about. Quality of my life has drastically improved since I've added these things to my routine. It's just self-care. It's just the way of creating a better lifestyle for yourself, a healthier lifestyle. And you know what? If you think about it, this is only something that's stigmatized for women. Negatively stigmatized for women. I know you've seen vlogs and lifestyle content from men and women, and you never see these type of comments on men's content. Like, you see a woman that's doing all these things and it's like, oh, she's high maintenance, she's so bougie, she has so much going on. Like, one of those people that I can name off the bat is like Lori Harvey. She's very desirable among her peers, right? The normal folk think she's so high maintenance and she has so much going on, and they make it seem like it's such a bad thing. Why is it a bad thing? And clearly the people that date her see that as a plus. People that take care of themselves should be a plus. You never see men that take care of themselves being called high maintenance as a derogatory term. I just think being a high maintenance woman is a positive. That is my girl talk for today. Being high maintenance has changed my life for the better and surrounded me with people and opportunities that match that and elevate me, and I think everybody should be high maintenance. Go and incorporate high maintenance routines in your routine. Go and flourish. Goobies, I'm finished. Hope I don't look fat. I had to adjust myself a couple times because my leg fell asleep.